Hello and welcome dear students, it's Deepak Tiwari, your teacher, here again with a new topic related to the geometry. Now in this video we will discuss about some figures, that is open figure, closed figure, curvilinear figures. Okay. Now the open figure, a figure having the different initial and end points are called the open figure. Generally we taking an example, suppose I have drawn here a figure A and B. Okay, I have here drawn a figure, look, A and B, this and this point. Look, it's initial point and that is the end point. Look, here the initial and end point are different, that's why this figure is an open figure. Okay, having some more example, look, A and B. Here A and B are the end and initial points and which are the different to each other, that's why it is an open figure. If we talk about the closed figure, then in the figure initial and end points are coincide with each other. Okay, एक ऐसा फिगर जिसमें कि आपका इनिशियल पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट दोनों एक दूसरे से कोइंसाइड है, यूं कहें आपस में मीट करते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल लुक, okay, it is an example of the open and closed figure. It's also an example of the closed figure. If the initial we started here, okay, and end from here, the initial and end point are coincide with each other in this figure, this is the closed figure. So the other one is the curvilinear boundary. A curvilinear boundary is a boundary or a kind of figure contains only curved lines. ठीक है, एक ऐसी बाउंड्री या ऐसा फिगर जिसमें कि केवल कर्व्ड लाइंस हों, उन्हीं को हम कर्विलिनियर बाउंड्री कहते हैं. टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल, it's a curve. Okay, look, circle is an example of curvilinear boundary because each part of this circle is curved line. ठीक है, वो curved line contain कर रहा है. Also oval is also an example of the curvilinear line. So and the linear boundary contains only line segments. Okay, a boundary which contains line segments only, it is a plane figure having contains only the line segments or a straight line. Look, triangle, square, okay, rectangle, these are the linear boundaries which contains the line segment or a straight line. Now if we talk about some plane figures, plane closed figure, the first example is a triangle. Okay, a triangle is a plane closed figure having the three line segments. एक triangle एक ऐसा closed figure है जिसके तीन line segments होते हैं. Look, A, B, C is a triangle. AB, BC and AC are the three line segments. ठीक है, तीन line segments हो गए और ये vertex हो गए. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Having the three vertices A, B, C and three line segments AB, BC, CA. Also the three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. A triangle is a kind of plane figure having the three straight lines or a sides and three vertices or the three angles. Now the rectangle. Rectangle is also a closed figure. Look, A, B, C, D is a rectangle having the four line segments which are AB, BC, CD and DA. And in rectangle the opposite line segments, here the opposite line segment of AB is CD. So the pairs of opposite line segments are equal in each other. So AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay, in the rectangle the opposite line segments are equal to each other and the adjacent line segments, okay, adjacent side or the line segments make 90 degree with each other. So the each vertices will contain 90 degree each other. Now the square. Square is a type of plane figure having all the four line segments are equal to each other. Look, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Then the all line segments or a side in a square are equal and it has four vertices and four angles measures 90 degree each other. In rectangle and square, each angle measures by the corresponding line segments would be 90 degree or a right angle. Now a circle. Circle is a kind of closed curve figure. ठीक है, सर्कल क्या है, एक प्लेन फिगर है, क्लोज्ड फिगर है, कर्व्ड फिगर है, ठीक है, प्लेन क्लोज्ड कर्व्ड फिगर, ठीक है। अ सर्कल इज अ प्लेन क्लोज्ड कर्व्ड फिगर हैविंग अ सेंटर, ये क्या हो गया, ये सेंटर हो गया, और द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड अ पार्ट ऑफ द कर्व लाइन, ठीक है, इसमें कोई भी हमने अगर कोई पार्ट ले लिया, पॉइंट ले लिया, तो उस सेंटर से उस पार्ट की जो डिस्टेंस होगी विल बी इक्वल एंड दिस डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज अ रेडियस। तो ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, ये रेडियस हो जाएगा, ठीक है, ओके। एंड दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द रेडियस एंड अ पार्ट ऑफ द कर्व लाइन, इट इज द रेडियस। एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द डायमीटर, तो डायमीटर क्या है कि अगर आपने दो पॉइंट ले लिया, सपोज ए एंड बी आर द 2 पॉइंट्स, और उन पॉइंट्स को अगर आपने जोड़ दिया और वो लाइन सेगमेंट जो कि सेंटर से होते हुए जा रही होगी, which passes from the center of the circle joining the 2 points, okay, of the circle are the radius। तो ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट पूरी ए बी हो जाएगी वो आपका डायमीटर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, वो आपका डायमीटर हो जाएगा। सो इट इज अ क्लोज्ड कर्व फिगर, प्लेन फिगर having a center which is equidistant from every part of the curvilinear line. Now if we talk about the perpendicular lines having the, if to the lines, look, L and M are the 2 lines, okay, now intersecting each other by making 90 degrees, okay, then perpendicular lines, look, L and M are the 2 lines intersecting each other by making 90 degree to it, then it is called the perpendicular line. Now here the line L is perpendicular to line M. This is the symbol. Look, this is the symbol of the perpendicular. Okay, line L is perpendicular to line M. So अगर एक स्ट्रेट लाइन दूसरी स्ट्रेट लाइन को काटती है और 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाती है तो उसी को हम परपेंडिकुलर लाइन कहते हैं। Now the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Look, what does it means? Perpendicular means making 90 degree, and bisector, bi means 2 or sector means segment, okay, angles, okay. Look, if a line L, okay, if a line L and line M, look, line M measures 8 centimeter and this line L bisect each other. बाइसेक्ट का मतलब होता है कि लाइन M को बिल्कुल बीचों बीच से वो बाइसेक्ट करे, यानी कि कट करते हुए पास कर जाए, देन यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री भी बनाए, देन इसी को हम बोलते हैं परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर। परपेंडिकुलर मींस मेकिंग 90 डिग्री एंड बाइसेक्टर मींस डिवाइड इट इनटू द 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स। सो लुक, लाइन L here divides line M in 2 equal parts by making 90 degree. That's why line M, line L are the perpendicular lines to each other, okay. Then line L is perpendicular to M and line L divides line M in 2 equal parts, that is the perpendicular bisector. So dear student, it's all about today's session. I'll be coming back with a new topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.